to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my October recipe box by Simply Earth. I love getting this box. There's always such fun things in here. We're going to open it. We're going to see what it is. We're going to see what the recipe is. And then we're gonna make it. This is how all the boxes come. You get like a bunch of recipes in here. You get some stickers. So if you do like roller balls or any kind of like lotions or chapsticks or any sort of type thing like that, that's on here. So this one comes with soy wax. You can make chapstick and you can make some candles. This box, which I am super excited for. So this comes with soy wax. It's 100% pure, toxin free. I love these boxes because their oils are 100% natural. So you get the soy wax, you get one candle wick to make a candle. I don't even know if I have anything to put these in. I don't know if I might have to use a big jar to make a baby candle, but we're gonna do it. And then 2 tubes of chapstick. That's cool. I'm definitely gonna make these. I love that they come with stickers first and foremost, because if you're gonna make the chapstick, they have all the recipes right here on how to do it, how much oils you put in there, how much everything. And then you can just roll these around. Can't wait because I love chapstick. Super cool. It looks like there's all kinds of really different and neat stuff to do in this box. But let's get down to the oils. Oh yeah, there's balsam fir, which I know this smells like a Christmas tree, and you won't be seeing me focus anytime soon. This smells like a Christmas tree. I hate the smell of Christmas trees. It makes me want to throw up. So hopefully whatever I'm going to be making is not going to be with this. This one is called Focus, which who doesn't need one of these once in a while? Let's see what this one smells like. I don't know what that one smells like, but that one smells pretty good. There's like frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. So I'm wondering if I can use this because you can't use eucalyptus oil around your dogs. So maybe this is for the chapstick, maybe it's for the candle, I don't know. Also, there's orange. I love a good orange essential oil. Take a whiff and I'll smell it for everybody. Take a smell. Yeah, it just smells good. I love diffusing orange. I think it just smells super good. This one is called Cassia. The ingredients is cinnamon, so good. Cinnamon cassia. Ooh, that is a very strong cinnamon. That's awesome. So mix these 2 babies together. You got yourself a nice fall Christmassy scent. One other thing about Simply Earth, if you guys haven't watched my videos prior to this, they give back 13% of their profit to end human trafficking. That's the oils. I think that's it. That's it. There is some super fun. They always give you like a diffuser blend. This one is, you use all of them it looks like. So that's pretty cool. And then if you do want to like create bigger ones, they send out that you can get a bonus box. The bonus box is absolutely amazing. I'll leave the link to that video of like the first box I ever got. It gives you the big bonus box. So they give you like all kinds of coconut oil, like the waxy coconut oil, the oily coconut oil, I don't know. And then they give you like the liquid coconut oil, they give you almond oil, they give you all kinds of like roller balls and tubes and all kinds of like super amazing stuff that you definitely use when you use oils. So that link in the description box, you guys want to check out that video. So anyways, yeah, fall diffuser blend, DIY aromatherapy rice bag. You need a clean sock, not a dirty sock. I mean, 1 to 3 cups of rice. This is kind of cool. It looks like you can heat it for a minute depending on the size of your sock. So that's kind of cool. I don't mind a little good thing like that. Super neat. They have like little pictures on the back, people that do it via Instagram. Cool. All right, cassia and orange candle. So you need soy wax, a tablespoon of beeswax. I think I got the beeswax in the bonus box. But it says that, you know, you need a 2 to 3 ounce jar, 30 drops of orange. Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna keep going over this. Oh, a tablespoon of coconut oil, solid. See, so that's why I think that the bonus box is super awesome, because you already have all of this stuff. You're not like, oh man, I gotta go get coconut oil. Oh, I gotta go get some beeswax. You already have it in your bonus box. A cassia balsam fir candle. We're not gonna do that because I think that's gonna stink. Focus lip balm, tablespoon of beeswax, tablespoon of coconut oil, tablespoon of almond oil, 10 drops. See, that seems pretty easy. 2 containers. Melt it together in a double boiler or microwave. We're gonna microwave this stuff. Joint pain roll-on. So this might be good for all of us people who are getting old and we like to move things around in our house and then our joints hurt and our body aches. That's it for the Simply Earth box. This was I think I need to do a craft on something to hold all my oils in because they're all just in my big bonus box right now. Let's get started making some candles and some chapstick. Yeah. So since I already had to get my bonus box out, I just thought I would just show you some items that are in it. You get the coconut oil, you get the almond oil, the little roller balls, and then the lavender hydrosol, and everything in here is so great, and it always comes in handy when it comes to these recipes. So I started off by making the candle. I won't give you step-by-step instructions because if you do want to check out this box, you'll definitely have the recipes there. But you guys, I just want to tell you that you're supposed to boil this. I put it in the microwave because, one, I couldn't imagine cleaning out so many pots and pans to make a candle. Then I didn't even use the good smelling cinnamon stuff. I grabbed the wrong one and I used the stinky pine tree one. And when I was mixing this, I was like, why does this smell so awful? So I technically made my own candle. I didn't go by the recipe, obviously, because I used the wrong essential oil. But I think that if you did like the pine tree scent, you would like the orange mixed together. I'm just not a pine tree person. And then I just dipped, this is the little jar I used. This was kind of almost like a candle DIY fail. It happens to the best of us. It almost looks like my 3-year-old daughter helped me make it because the side had wax all over it. And that is the smallest jar I could find, and that is just what I had to work with. But the chapstick turned out absolutely incredible. I love it so much, and I should make chapstick for a living. It's so easy, and all you need is a bunch of essential oils, and voila, you can make all kinds of scents of chapstick. This could be like my new hobby. I love these chapsticks. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you did enjoy this, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to check out Simply Earth, the links will be in the description box below for you. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.